Hi everyone, welcome to the Best Kitchen. Today's recipe is Kẹo Đậu Phộng or Kẹo Thèo Lèo. I like to call it Kẹo Thèo Lèo, it's just so cute. All ingredients are listed in the description box just right below the video. Now let's get started. First, you will need to have all of your ingredients ready. Besides the ingredients, you also need one heavy-duty non-stick saucepan with lid, one stainless steel bowl, one brush, and one 8x8 non-stick pan. To make the syrup, combine 2/3 cup of sugar, less than 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, half cup of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of water, and that's it. Set it aside, do not stir. Roast peanuts at 350 degrees oven for 5 to 6 minutes. Cook the syrup on medium heat, cover. It may take about 15 to 16 minutes. Heat up the bowl to melt the coconut oil. Now use the coconut oil to brush your spatula, your pan, and your bowl very well. Then set it aside. Preheat the wok at medium heat. Toast sesame seeds. And now let's see the syrup. It's simmering right now. Just leave it alone, do not stir. Toast the sesame seeds until it turns slightly golden. It may take about 4 to 5 minutes. Turn the heat off and set it aside. At 13 or 14 minutes of cooking, now I'm going to test the syrup. It's still a bit runny, so let's cook for 1 more minute. This is a very important moment. Your syrup could go from perfect to burn, so you need to keep checking on the syrup. If the syrup slowly dripping down, but when you try to pull on it, it breaks apart, then it means it's not ready. You need to cook a little bit more. Maybe 15 to 30 seconds. Alright, I can tell the syrup is done. Turn the heat off. You see the color looks beautiful. Be extra careful since the syrup is super hot. Let's test this one last time. If you can pull it out to a thin thread like this, then it's done. Add peanut and sesame seed to the bowl. Give it a quick mix. Add vanilla sugar to the syrup. You can also use vanilla extract. Now pour the hot syrup over the nut mixture. You need to mix it very quickly since the mixture gets hardened very fast. Then transfer to the greased pan. Pat it down to even it out. Then you must let it cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, run a plastic knife around the edges. to loosen the candies away from the pan. Place parchment paper cutting boards on top, flip it over, give it a few taps, and a little help from the knife, then it should come right out. Very nice. Cut the candy right away. The best and the easiest time to cut the candy when it's still warm. Your candy will have a nice, clean, even cut. Cut it into any shape and size that you like. Allow the candy to cool completely. When it cooled, store it in an airtight container and enjoy it later on. This is a simple but very traditional candy. It's a must-have in every Vietnamese home for our Lunar New Year. So to keep this tradition going, are you ready to make some Kẹo Thèo Lèo for that? I am ready. We love to enjoy this sweet candy and surround with our loved ones to celebrate our New Year. So from my kitchen to yours, I wish you all a sweet, happy, and very healthy year. Now it's time to taste. It's perfect to have with a cup of hot tea. It's so crunchy and delicious. Yum! For more easy and delicious recipes, please check out my website at tbsp.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.